AI. In today's rapidly evolving world, artificial intelligence is transforming industries, and the supply chain is no exception. Welcome to our exploration of how AI is revolutionizing the supply chain. Let's dive in. Traditional supply chain management has its limitations. Manual processes, data silos, and unpredictable demand can lead to inefficiencies, higher costs, and delayed deliveries. Fluctuating market demands and supply chain disruptions can be hard to anticipate and respond to effectively, which often leads to wasted resources and missed opportunities. AI is transforming the supply chain by automating tasks, predicting demand, enhancing visibility, and improving decision-making. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data from multiple sources, providing valuable insights for enhanced planning and inventory management. Predictive models powered by AI can anticipate fluctuations in demand and optimize inventory levels, reducing excess stock and minimizing shortages. AI-driven robotics streamline warehouse operations, improving order accuracy and fulfillment speed. AI is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the supply chain. Drones and autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing last-mile delivery, making it faster and more efficient. AI's ability to quickly analyze data is opening new possibilities for optimizing global supply chains. AI can anticipate market shifts, respond swiftly to disruptions, and deliver an outstanding customer experience. The supply chain of the future is agile, intelligent, and efficient, thanks to the transformative power of AI. As we embrace AI, we embark on a journey towards a smarter, more responsive, and sustainable supply chain. Let's unlock the potential of AI in shaping the future of the supply chain.